What's your sign? What's your type? What you like? Would you wife me? Baby, I could be someone that you could lie to. Matter of fact, I'll be the one that you could cry to. What's your sign? What's your type? What you like? Would you wife me? Baby, I could be someone that you could lie to. Matter of fact, I'll be the one that you gon' cry to. See you there in your white tee, you looking kinda sexy. All your friends in my DM, they acting way too friendly. Meet me at the Soho House, I'll pull up in my Tessie. If I'm feeling nasty, you can fuck me in my Fenty. Yeah. You're amazing, I'm amazing. Let's make babies, they'll be famous. Let's arrange it in the tropics. Take a day trip. What's your sign? What's your type? What you like? Would you wife me? Baby, I could be someone that you could lie to. Matter of fact, I'll be the one that you could cry to. What's your sign? What's your type? What you like? Would you wife me? Baby, I could be someone that you could lie to. Matter of fact, I'll be the one that you gon' cry to. I seen your old girl and she be looking kinda thirsty. I know she don't trust me, probably wants to fuck me. Honest, I'm too busy flying to 3 different countries. If she really wants to, we could put her in a fancy. Yeah. You're amazing, I'm amazing. Let's make babies, they'll be famous. Let's arrange it in the tropics. Take a day trip. What's your sign? What's your type? What you like? Would you wife me? Baby, I could be someone that you could lie to. Matter of fact, I'll be the one that you could cry to. What's your sign? What's your type? What you like? Would you wife me? Baby, I could be someone that you could lie to. Matter of fact, I'll be the one that you gon' cry to.
Figured it all out. You think that you want it. It's all of us.
said she like how I rap. I get living speed like a jack. What?
I'm so shy. Yeah. Yeah. But they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the paper in the picture like a diorama. Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite. Cause the world told me we ain't got the common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you would never know a guy without a goddess. As honest as fucking honest, kidding. I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO just like a Robin Fenty. And I'ma be there for you cause you on my team, girl. Don't ever think you ain't hell of these niggas' dream, girl. They wanna pit us against each other when we succeed. And for no reasons, they wanna see us end up like we were Gina or Mean Girl. Princess or queen, tomboy or king. You've heard a lot you've never seen. Mother Earth, Mother Mary, rise to the top. Divine feminine, I'm feminine. Woman, let me be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be a woman.
chilling, man.
Chilling. Yo, you know I had to call. You know why, right?
Why?
Because, yo, I never, ever call.
You said I just got it pop, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, I said get into it, yo. I guess she ain't got a butt, I forget get into it, yo. And I said I just got a ball, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, get into it, yo. If she ain't got a butt, fucking get into it, yo. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these cans like you the Batman. You just wanna ball out in designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone, I'm just talking comfort, shoddy. I ain't give you nothing, you could come for shoddy. I got plenty things, you make a run for shoddy. Call him Ed Sheeran, he in love with my body. Get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, I said get into it, yo. I guess she ain't got a butt, I forget get into it, yo. And I said I just got a ball, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, get into it, yo. If she ain't got a butt, fucking get into it, yo. Y'all need to take it into the drip like a pavana. Y'all need to take it into my drip like y'all need water. I mean, it's only head to toe Balenciaga. I mean, y'all bitches better, y'all like Ariana. If they ever tryna knock up, put my foot up in your cock. Call your mama and your papa like I'm finna take a dada. Turn that bitch into a soccer ball and rock. Get into it like a suit and fuck a stock up like a rock. Get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, I said get into it, yo. I guess she ain't got a butt, now fucking get into it, yo. And I said I just got a ball, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, get into it, yo. If she ain't got a butt, fucking get into it, yo. Thank you, Nikki. I love you. Got that big rocket launcher.
What you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof. Load it up and do. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the islands. Drip when you're sliding. Dip, baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you in it cause you know I like it. Baking up a cake for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. We can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me you outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up inside me, baby. Fucking it up like oopsie daisy. Ain't no if, then, buts, and maybes. Don't be laid up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. Baby, ain't no hold up, I'm that shit I hate waiting. Do. Shoot your shot, I'm impatient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the islands. Drip when you're sliding. Dip, baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you in it cause you know I like it. Baking up a cake for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. We can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me you outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
Dímelo, turn me round. Treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my dick and I want it now, ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you with some lingerie. Drop this pussy down low like bombs. Away, boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, You gotta see this shit in person, believe me.
We can't just be talking about it. I want you come inside it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me you outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
Pull up in the Benz, make me say, let me do that shit again.
I'm so shy. Yeah. I'm so pretty and he like that. When he beat it up, he deep inside that kitty cat. Kitty cat, losing focus like it's Fetty Wap. Now where he at? Cause I'm tryna make a movie set. I know he don't like it when I talk back. From my mouth like Forrest Gump, but I like it when he talk back. Make my beat superb when he shut me up. Beat it up, then beat it up. Neighbors yelling while we pipe it up. Kitty purr, make that kitty purr. Make it purr, make that kitty purr. He ain't never met a woman like me. Do a split up on the dick and he might call me wifey. Knock the pussy out cold, bring it back, it's round 3. Yeah, I got the best kitty, you ain't gotta hide me. I need a PhD, that's a pretty huge with the straps on the bed. Told you get a good grip, cat emoji in the text, so you know what's coming next. And you better come correct, cause you f***ing with the bed. Keep it going, kitty purr, make that kitty purr. Make it purr, make that kitty purr. I'm so pretty and he like that. Pretty and he like that. I'm so pretty and he like that. Pretty and he like that. Kitty purr, make that kitty purr. Make it purr, make that kitty purr.
Ay, yeah, I like it when I don't fat.
It's retro, bitch. It's retro, bitch. It's retro, bitch.
feel so out of line every time that you call my name. I want to make your move, but I'm scared to say it. It's taken a while to get this far. I'm caught in the way. It's taken a lot to get this close. We're one and the same. Chasing colors after dark. In your heart, I believe in you. The way you pull me in, can't pretend we're a work of art. After dark, in your heart, I believe in you. The way you pull me in, can't pretend I'll be chasing colors. I feel so beautiful when you call. Tell me we won't change. I want to make your move, but I'm scared to say it. It's taken a while to get this far. I'm caught in the way. It's taken a lot to get this close. We're one and the same. Chasing colors after dark. In your heart, I believe in you. The way you pull me in, can't pretend we're a work of art. After dark, in your heart, I believe in you. The way you pull me in, can't pretend I'll be chasing colors.
Es fehlt nur noch ein Wort, dann ist das Album fertig.
Hello, hello. Hey, hi. Sorry, I haven't been talking. I've been wanting to dance for a little bit. Um, it's a pleasure to see you all here. Mwah. I'm sorry. Hold on. This camera, fudge this camera. Everybody's everybody's having to deal with this new camera. I'm like fudge. I'm just gonna sit on it. Croa, thank you. My eyes. I love my eyes. I have multicolored eyes. It's like blue, and then it has a little bit of pink emissions and stuff. Um, Thank you for joining. Thank you for coming, showing up. I really appreciate everybody. Um, Thank you for the subs. Chocolate, if you're still here, I love you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you, and I miss you. Who else? Dram. Thank you for supporting me, you little moo cow. Freaking milk ya. I don't know why I just said that. Probably some kinks to iron out. Yeah, probably. I'm out of breath. Wait till you see my new MJ outfit. Oh my goodness. You freaking love MJ. It's gonna be good to see. Sorry if I keep going out of focus. It's because I keep moving. Yo, so I'm happy to be here. Are you happy to be here? I hope so. Mwah, mwah. What is it? Tuesday? I'm hungry. I freaking need some food. I've been applying everywhere I can, different places, because things are looking grim at the office. People are leaving. People are getting fired, and I'm just like fudge. So I want to tell you what companies I applied to. I wonder if I can. I can do that, right? There's no problem if I actually get into it. You can judge me if you want. But move to New York. Well, I applied to Spotify in New York. Shh, they're looking for a software developer. And I also applied to a little company named Meta. They're looking for a VR developer. And sorry, I can say this. I haven't been officially. You'll never know because I won't say anything, right? I'm also looking at Microsoft and VR chat. But anyway, that's just my plans. It's just I'm sending out resumes too. I think it would be cool. I'm tired of where I'm working. I've been there freaking 7-8 years, so I'm done. Going to be part of ruining the VR future. Look, some part of me would be very sad, like to be the one like putting ads in your Oculus Quest or your Meta Quest or whatever. But I want experience because I think VR. Oh, yeah. Hello? I think VR is the future, so I gotta get experience somewhere, and after that, I think I can work anywhere. Anyway, I don't even have Facebook installed on my freaking phone. I think it's booty. But hopefully they never see this stream, right? Right, Meta? Haha. Because I won't tell them. Anyway, more tenure than most of at the place these days. Look, I don't know. I'm just ready to get into a different field and actually do some stuff. But how are you guys doing? Ooh, this camera kind of is doo-doo. I've been wanting to cook something new with Kuro over there behind me. Let's see if this aperture works. Does aperture work? Oh, you can turn it all low or high. Actually high is pretty good. It's pretty good. Yeah, so far I'm not liking the new camera. Focus is too out of control. This focus is way out of control. Like, you have to stand in the middle, right? If I go to the right, the left. Oh, look, it's on Kuro now. What's her name? Sorry, what's her name? Choto was saying the same thing. Actually, the new VRC lens does the same thing with autofocus. With its autofocus. If you like go out of this little circle here, you get out of focus. I'm like, fudge. Anywho, I hope you guys, thank you so much for the follows. Thank you for watching me. I'm feeling a little ratchet. I'm feeling a little technical, but I've been watching a lot of battles, and I've been trying to change up my moves for some of y'all who've known me for a while. I always change up stuff. So I was super active on that one song where I was like, like going everywhere. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope y'all dancers are progressing and liking how you dance and learning and not giving up and just being happy when you dance. Because I take dancing so seriously, like it's a freaking job, and I forget to smile sometimes. Make sure you smile, okay? Just smile, right? Just smile. Make sure you smile. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. Can you turn off autofocus? Yes. Here, let me turn off autofocus. Wait, can I? Full auto off. I'm just gonna turn it off for now, okay? Oh, there's zoom. Look at that. Deesh. Here, let's just do this right now. No focusing, okay? Actually, it's really dark. I'm gonna come over here. Okay. Well, it's actually super dark in here. What if let me stand by this lamp over here. Yeah, maybe I can get some more light. Hey. Anywho, yo, thank you guys for the follows. Who's that? Love Misa? I appreciate you, sweetie. Schlepp me? I got you, Opie. Come here. This is a schlepp. It's when I put my tongue in your face. Wait, did I get there? Hold on. You're not close enough. Freaking, what are you doing? Come here. There you go. It's part of my culture, okay? I've been dancing a lot in Publix. I've definitely leveled up. I want to see you dance, Crow. That's awesome. That's awesome. I've been having to write down moves. I've been having to take down pictures of moves and write them down in my little dance journal, which I mean, you don't have to be like me, but I suggest, like, if you have bad memory, get like a journal. Doesn't have to be for dance. It can be for whatever you might be interested in, or if you have thoughts, or if you feel like you have ADD, or feel like you have bad memory, or if you just you're into self-improvement. I think journaling is really good for you. Or if you just want to write down your goals, which I also suggest you should do. Anywho, what's the name of the world you're in? Hey, Lords. Hey, sweetie. Good to see you. It's called Blue Light Alley. Blue Light, one word, space, alley. And it's really cool. It's really nice. It's like a freaking good vibe in here. I can talk forever about stuff. I'm very worried. I feel like on Friday maybe my boss is gonna tell me that that they no longer need my services, because my friend at the job that just happened to him, and I'm like, why is this? What's going on here? So anyway, that's just on my mind, and I'm expressing it through my dance. I'm a little stressed, so I've been dancing and letting it out, because I think this is a great outlet. You know, if you're frustrated, or if you have something on your mind, if you're freaking heartbroken, or if you're freaking you're feeling some type of way. You guys feeling? Don't answer that, please. If you are, I think it's good. Lords, I've been vibing in Publix. I got a little better since we last danced. Won't they screw themselves? Looks forward to them contracting you back for the 5th. Yes, exactly. Listen, I'm gonna give you a little history of how companies do things in America. They create a business, and they realize they need people who can program, and then sometimes they hire programmers. Yay, like me. And then they realize, we don't want to invest in these guys. We're paying them too much. Let's freaking hire some guys from other countries for like three times less the price, but then our product and our support sucks in the long run. That's what's happening. Anyway. No, I get it though. I get it. You pick up support, you call support for freaking whatever gadget you have, and it's gonna probably be someone not from America on the other end, and that's fine as long as you get help. But fudge, man. I just want to feel like I'm not disposable, you know? Like someone can invest in me and see me grow as a developer. And so that's why I've been applying every night to different companies. Can you lose business in a captive market? True and true. Can't lose business in a captive market? I know. I don't know. I don't know. It's difficult. I'm fine. I will find someone who will appreciate me, because I know I'm creative, and I have some skills, and I try really hard. I really care about helping, not just like doing my own little thing, keep my head down, but like helping. And it's just like, can we all just work together? We can all make money together. Yeah? But I don't know. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm sorry. That's what's on my mind, cuties. I hope you're having a good one. It's the end of the year, and I'm about to sign a new lease to my house that I'm renting, and I don't want to be in a position where I can't pay, you know. But I hate talking. That's just what's on my mind about that. Anyway, what kind of software do you make? I make Android software, so that's with Java. I'm a .NET developer, so that's C#. So I make backend. Like I automate stuff. Like say if you need a robot to go out to the internet and fetch a bunch of information and to email it to a bunch of people, I can do that perfectly in like just a day or something. And then I also make like UI stuff, so stuff you see on websites, like really flashy graphics and all that stuff, positioning it and coloring it and putting it in the right place and making buttons that do so. I'm full stack. That's what they call it. So I don't know. Yeah, so anyway, I want to get into, I want to try VR development, and I want to try some, I really wanted to try machine learning and AI stuff, but I I started to take my master's, and then during the pandemic, I freaking broke up with my ex, and shit went downhill, and I haven't finished that yet. So yeah, that's that. But I mean, I have a lot of experience. I have 8 years of experience in software and programming stuff, programming robots and automating stuff. So yeah, very versatile. Yes, hopefully Spotify in New York will be like, hey, you're really cool. We like what you're doing. We don't care that you're a freaking VR nerd and into anime. Or maybe Facebook will be like, yo, we need a lot of people so that we can control the world and make you buy stuff when you put on your Oculus. Or maybe VR chat will be like, hey, you're freaking Twitch streamer. We don't like that you show like your butt cheeks on Twitch. Or maybe freaking Microsoft will be like, help us make another version of Windows that people won't really like. I'm sorry. I'm just ragging. I'm ragging now. Okay. Anyway, enough about me. Where are you? Can you guys tell me where you're located? Is anyone in Texas? Texas represent. Let's go. I know some people are located in UK. Oh, fudge, what is that? Where should I move, y'all? If you could move anywhere in the US right now, where would you go? If you could be anywhere in America or anywhere in the world. Because on my application, I put I would live in Colorado, Texas, or Japan. because I'm a freaking nerd. I'm a Japanese. I'm not a Japanese nerd, but that was my minor. I minored in Japanese, and I freaking love Japanese culture, and Colorado's beautiful, and Texas is where I grew up, so that's kind of like I'm kind of I don't want to go out of my little bubble, but I know like it's now or never, right? You know. Anyway, Southern Texas, but gonna move out to Colorado. Croa. This is how it goes. Californians, they move to Texas, and Texans move to Colorado. Or Seattle, Washington. It's weird. It's like that's how it goes. But yeah, Colorado is beautiful, no doubt. EU, I should be asleep. Lord, good Lord, good Lord. I'm gonna call you. No, I don't know if I should call you good Lord, but maybe get some rest, dude. I might dance it for a little bit more though, for sure. And then get some freaking good grub. I want some wings or something, yo. Some freaking lemon pepper or some. I don't even know. What do you guys? Ew, Texas. Ah, Texas. Texas is awesome. Even though, even though we're in the freaking news every like other day, like freaking Astro World concert, which just in the news. So many people, Travis Scott. That's what everyone was talking about today. Anyway, Southern Texas, da-da-da. Yash, yash, yash. Move to New York if you have the money. So many people in New York. Every time I see pictures of New York, I see like smoke coming out of the freaking gutters and like trash on the sidewalk. And I'm like, but I see like people wearing like black trench coats, and they're like freaking, I gotta get my Starbucks. Where's my freaking Starbucks? I don't know. Maybe not like that. I'm thinking New York City. Maybe upstate New York would be cool. Head into Idaho next year. Oh, that's right. I know. I think I know someone who moved to Idaho. Part of my ex's family. Yeah. Machine learning is not easy. But yeah, no, it's not easy. Lord, do you have some experience with like software and stuff? I mean, to be honest, a lot of that stuff is like packaged up in little software libraries for you to use now. But so you don't have to do it by hand, but you're still expected to know it, because I was taking my master's and they're like, write this stuff by hand, and I was like, fudge you. I'm freaking finding the code online, and it works just fine. And I mean, I would change it to match whatever the problem was, obviously, and like make sure it works and stuff. But I kind of got in trouble for doing that once. Don't plagiarize, y'all. Unless you're at a company, and it's open source, it's free. If I were to, but just make sure it works. If I were to limit it to the U.S., somewhere in northern half with lots of greenery and good, yes, Bobzu. I just want somewhere pretty where I can wake up and look outside and eat fresh bread and milk my cows and freaking be like, it's a lovely day, and then freaking log on VR chat for 8 hours. Right? If I were to limit it to the US, yeah. Omae wa weeb desu? Yes, I'm a weeb. I admit. Okay. Before Kuro, I only dated girls, and I was so into freaking weeby girls, like freaking anime convention girls. And I'm like, nya, let's watch anime together for hours. Nya. And I don't know. I guess that led me on a path to where I am today, huh? But I haven't been to a convention in a while, and I'm kind of wanna meet up with some more anime fans and and nerd out on stuff and watch some anime together, you know. Now you date now I date anime girls like Kuro over here. Kuro's an anime girl. I make him be one for my own pleasure. Sorry. What a lovely day. Draws curtains, closes and goes to bed. What a lovely day. Bish. Oh, I'm back. See, you can do bounty hunting? Fudge. I would do bounty hunting for web web criminals. You know, like I know it's not as fun, probably not fun, but it's not as physical. But I think being a private investigator would be it would not be boring. That's for sure. And I think finding some dude on the internet who's going and giving people viruses and taking your freaking bank account for crypto. You gotta exchange them 1,000 Bitcoin or else he won't give you. It'd be cool to catch those guys. I wouldn't say bad guys, but just to protect people. I've always been interested in freaking cybersecurity. Anyway, right by hand. Coding is the only job where plagiarism is basically the norm. Yes. Listen, you don't need a certificate or schooling to become a software developer. I'd say you'd have to be really good at using Google and building things out of what you find on there. That's it. And then just be likable, don't be a douche and make friends along the way. Maybe actually learn and remember stuff, but that's it. That's why I think I feel like I feel like an imposter sometimes. I call it imposter syndrome. You're with a bunch of developers who know their stuff, and I'm here as a math major. I didn't take any computer science class.